Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Today, we are looking at an incredible Magisk module called Sound-Unleashed. If you're an audiophile or just someone who wants the absolute best audio quality from your Android device, this advanced audio tuner is going to deliver a truly superior sound experience. This module is packed with features. It natively supports sample rates up to 96 kHz and 24-bit bit depth, and enables a true high-quality audio mode system-wide. You also get premium sound effects support, alongside a rich surround sound and virtualizer experience that completely transforms how you listen to music or watch movies on your phone. Right now, I am opening up my file manager to show you the downloaded Magisk zip file. You can see the Sound-Unleashed file resting right here in my Downloads folder. While we locate it, let me tell you about a few more things it does in the background. It significantly improves Bluetooth audio quality and adds native support for ALAC, APE, and various other lossless audio formats. It also features audio offloading for overall device efficiency, better audio buffer management, and optimization for external digital to analog converters. Now let us move on to the installation process. Open up your Magisk app and tap on the Modules section located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the Install from Storage button at the top. Navigate to the folder where you saved the Sound-Unleashed zip file, select the file, and Magisk will automatically begin flashing the module to your device. The installation screen will show the text scrolling by, loading all the necessary audio enhancements and scripts directly into your system. Once the installation process says done at the bottom, all you need to do is hit that reboot button. While the phone restarts, keep in mind this module also reduces audio delay for gaming and clears the secure media volume restriction, so you don't get those annoying safe volume warnings anymore. Alright, the device has successfully booted back up. Let's open the Magisk app one more time and head back into the Modules section. As you can see right here, Sound-Unleashed is installed and is now actively running on the system. With this active, you now have 40 volume steps for much more precise control over how loud or quiet you want your media. It actively increases your device's overall speaker volume, provides excellent audio optimization for headsets, and even enables multi-channel 5.1 audio support. Whether you're using wired headphones, wireless earbuds, or just your phone speakers, the audio enhancement for video and gaming is immediately noticeable. And there are many other features packed into this module that run seamlessly to ensure you get the crispest sound possible. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like the video, subscribe for more content, and I will see you in the next one.